Alright guys, I'm back. Looks like a 79 Coupe deVille. This one's pretty decked out with a bunch of custom stuff. It's got some insignias on it. Guy's got the little candy tray with the dog. It's got a custom hood ornament. Some fog lights at the bottom. You even got the eyelids. My car actually had the eyelids. To me, it's pretty tacky. This car is a little on the tacky side for my taste. But still a nice car. Got custom rims, white walls. Again, the period piece for this is not necessarily current for the year, but pretty cool rims. It's got the curb feelers. Nice color. I like the color scheme. It's gold and blue. I don't think that's a original color scheme, but I like it. It's got some mud flaps, custom mud flaps. I really like the blue though. So he put 79, but this is actually a 77. I don't know, unless he replaced the tail lights. This isn't a 79. Interesting.
Wes,
I like your car. Is this yours?
Nah,
oh,
boy car.
Okay. I like it.
Looks like a Big Daddy Cadillac.
Yeah, I have a 78. Yeah, it's nice.
Here you go, brother.
Cool. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Nice interior, cloth blue. Looks like they might have been redone. Obviously redone, but still got the Cadillac insignias. Got the Giants stuff. Interior is pretty clean. I'm pretty sure it's a 79. Everything looks clean. Put her on the other side.
Yeah, it's going to be windy today, Wes.
Yeah. Nice color scheme. So we got a bunch of insignias on it. I really like the gold and the blue. It's got the woofers in the back. It's got a dual exhaust. That's pretty cool. Overall, pretty cool car. Engine is clean.